Alright guys, I'm just showing today how to read your oil level. This is a BMW 750 Li, is a 2014. So this should apply guys to a range of BMW vehicles. Most of them guys, they don't have like a dipstick right in front there. So what you do, you come here, you just tap in here, the start push button, and then you just make sure guys you start the car. And then guys, when the car is started guys, just come right here, you just tap the menu, and then the menu comes there. You go to vehicle information right there guys, and then you press OK, and then you go to vehicle status, make sure it's in the status, and then what you do next guys, you come just right here guys, you press OK, and then guys this thing should be able to just pop up. And then guys you just move down and move up. Make sure guys when you're doing your oil change reading, make sure the car is running, and then you just come right down here, you just say measure engine oil level, and then you press OK. Then it will say measurement only possible while engine is not operating, you know, all the stuff. So guys, you have to wait for the temperature to go all the way to the operating temperature, which is in the middle up there. So before we can proceed guys with the measurement, so you just wait for it. I'll show you guys when I'm done with that. Alright guys, so to measure the oil change guys, so you see the temperature guys is up here. So what we do, when you come right here, you see the start measurement. Now it's active, so we said okay, we just press right here OK, you say okay, and then guys we wait for it. It's saying measuring engine oil level, so let's give it a minute guys, and then it will show us the level where our engine oil is at. Alright guys, so it's telling us the engine oil level is okay. It's just a little bit below the maximum level, so that means maybe I'll top something like a quart, and then guys this should be able to be good. So guys, I hope this video really helps you out as you do your oil change and you check it out, and see you next time.